All right, pay attention. Let us solve this physics question. A car accelerates uniformly at a rate of 10 meters per second square from an initial velocity of 10 meters per second for 30 seconds. Find the distance covered during this period. A car accelerating uniformly at the rate of 10 meters per second square from an initial velocity giving us 10 meters per second for 30 seconds. The question is, as a physics student, find the distance covered during this period. All right, solution. Let us consider the values available. Acceleration A equals 10. Initial velocity U equals 10. Time T equals 30. Find the distance. Distance X is not known. All right. We are going to consider using one of the equations of linear motion. We will use X equals ut plus half at squared. All right. Where X is the distance, what we are looking for. U is the initial velocity. T is time. A is acceleration. So this is a perfect formula to use. X equals U is 10, right? Times T, which is 30, right? Plus half A, which is times 10 times T, which is 30. T square is now 30 times 30. Are you following? X equals 10 times 30 is what? 300 plus half times 10 times 30 is 300. 300 times 30 is 300 times 10 is 9,000. Are you following? X equals 300 plus half times 9,000 is the same thing as 9,000 divided by 2, which gives you 4,500. X equals 300 plus 4,500 is 4,800. This is distance. The unit of distance is meters. So this is the value. A car accelerating uniformly at 10 meters per second square from an initial velocity of 10 meters per second for 30 seconds. Using this formula, the value of the distance covered during this period is 4,800 meters. Very simple. Take time to watch this video again. It's not difficult. If you have any physics question, especially those of you that are preparing for JAMB, let us know in the comment section. It's not difficult, like I said before. Kindly share this video and keep learning. Bye for now.